Hi everyone, Dan Russell here from Construction EPA Company. I'm just going to do a quick video as I've been working with the lead EQA at Open Awards on the Property Maintenance Operative standard, and there are going to be some changes that are going to be implemented on the 1st of April. So I just want to give you a heads up to make sure that you're aware and that you can prepare your apprentices. Now, so it's the 1st of April, so any apprentice that completes their gateway on or before the 31st of March, they're going to follow the assessment plan that's currently on the Institute for Apprenticeship website. Anyone that signs off their gateway on the 1st of April 2021 or later will be doing the new assessment plan. Now, I don't have a date for when this new assessment plan is going to be launched on the website. As soon as it is, obviously, we'll update you. And, in the meantime, just keep an eye on that for yourself just so you can see that. Now, I've been told that there shouldn't be any changes to the teaching and learning that the apprentice requires on programme. So it shouldn't change anything you have to deliver, although I've not seen the assessment plan, so I can't guarantee that myself. But what is going to change are the 5 assessment methods that are currently in the assessment plan. And these changes are actually really good, so don't be worried. Change is actually a good thing for this time. So basically they're removing 2 of the assessment methods, which are the portfolio of evidence and the project report. And they're going to incorporate them within the interview. So we're going down to 3 assessment methods, which is a lot better for the apprentices anyway. So basically the interview will now focus on the evidence submitted within the project report and the portfolio of evidence. So that really does benefit the apprentice because they're the one generating the evidence, they're the one completing the project and writing the report. So they will know what evidence is submitted, what scenarios that they're talking about. So they're going to be able to talk about this in the interview with a lot more confidence. And also, they're going to have a better understanding as to what the interview is going to entail because they're going to be asked for a specific piece of evidence that relates to specific criteria that they're going to know they need to cover. So it's actually a really good thing. And what that means is the weighting for the interview is going to change, so it's going to increase to 20%. The other 2 assessment methods, they're going to stay pretty much the same, I've been told. So the knowledge test, it's going to be on the same. The same kind of grading outcomes are going to be the same. It's just the weighting that's going to increase to 30%. And then that leaves the skills assessment, the observation. Again, it's still over a 5-hour period. The requirements are still going to be the same, but that's going to be 50% as well. So you've got your 30, your 50, and 20%. So I think this change is going to be really good because obviously having interviews and actually being able to prepare and know, it's going to be based on what they've submitted in their project report and their portfolio is going to really help the apprentices. So I think this is going to be really good for the sector. We are busy developing our resource for this at the moment. So we will be there, before the 1st of April to support everyone with this. But if you've got any questions in the meantime, please let me know. I will answer them if I've got the information, or I can go back to the lead EQA and just get some clarification on things. But yeah, let me know if you need anything. Thanks.